guys? AP Fans is back. You probably haven't heard from me in a week or so. And I am going to be doing an installation of a Hampton made Chatham made by SMC. I haven't been doing a lot of videos on it, but I am now that I'm going to be installing it. So first, there will be holes in the ceiling. And I just had to drill another one right there just because I didn't have a hole, and plus the other one that I had before was too big, because hugger ceiling fan brackets are different than regular ones. So what you want to do, you want to take your bracket and secure it, and then you'll find your next hole, and then whoops, just push this back. Yeah, this is back. Let me just move this. Just give me a second. Oh, that up a little bit. And there you go. Alright, so put our next screw in. The good thing about the Hampton made Chatham is this one is going to be easier for me because it's going to be flush mounted to the ceiling. So what you're going to do is take your motor housing, the T section, it's going to go be open right here. You're going to slide it in like this and then put it down. Then your fan's going to hang like that, and it's nice and secure. And then what I recommend is at first make sure the ridges and screw slots line up, and make sure they line up on the bottom. And when it's right and it fits in, screw it in. At least I got one in. And then, after you get that screwed on, you're going to be putting the screw in on this side, right here, the other side. There you go, screw that in. Oops, just get down here. It won't. Oh, whoops. Oh, got it now. The T wasn't lining up. Just straighten it a little bit. There we go. And after that, you are going to be taking your screws that came with canopy, going to slide it on over the light kit. Then, just watch out for the screws. On a new fan, the screws didn't come in there, but this is a used fan that came out of my beach house. So yeah. So because this is the slotted one, it would stay in. You push it up enough, because I push it up enough on the other side. So I'm gonna push it. Oh, whoops. Alright, make sure you are centered. Then put the screw in. Once you're done with that, you're going to take another canopy screw. You could put it on the left side or right side, whichever one you want. Because I put it on the left side, I would recommend doing this like a slotted canopy fan, because right here there's usually slots. You put the two left screws in, and you remove the rights, and then they just slide in. On some fans it's opposite. You have to remove the left screw and then loosen the right screw. And on this one you have to loosen all screws, and then what you do is put it in. At least it's like, whatchamacallit, like locked in. Like, not locked in, but like secured in when you push it up. Alright, so we're gonna put, oh, there it is. Alright, then take your screwdriver and go right here and then just screw the screws in. It doesn't matter how you do it. And you should screw these in and repeat the process. I think this is like my quickest installation video I did, because a lot of them took me a long time, and some of them took a very long time and they didn't upload. So this one's gonna upload, definitely. After you have that, you're gonna get your blades and secure them to the blade arms, and I never took the blade arms off, so automatically on. And when this came out of my beach house, it was like saggy. It was starting to sag. But this is a really good air mover, not gonna lie. That is a good thing. So you're going to do this for all 4 blades. You're going to put you're going to take your 2 mounting blade screws and then put them on like that. And you want to hold it up because it will not hold itself up when you put it in. And what I always do and it works for me. I put the blade in. I put one blade here, and then I do it on the opposite side, and then it becomes brown. I'm gonna have to clean this fan one of these days because it's like super dirty, because it has like dirt marks on the blades. There we go. Wait, stay. All right. I'm gonna have to go on the other side. All right, there we go. It's just gonna be better. So, yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing. Uh-oh, come on. Alright, there we go, that's better. And I'm gonna get the blade right there. Not the blade, the screw, the blade arm screw. Right. I'm gonna put it in like that. And then, like I said, it's very even. Pull screws out and pull the wires out. And now, for the 3rd time, you are going to put this in, like so. Alright, there we go, that's better. Alright, let's push this blade over here. get the next blade, the last blade. Spin this over to the other. It's coming back at me. Alright. Darn it. Alright, there we go. What I have to do is quick and fast. And able for this to work. Are you kidding me? This is just getting really annoying now. Stay. And for some reason when I got this fan, oh, whoops. Stay. Look, I have like tape on the blade right there. I'm afraid it's like masking tape. I'm afraid to get it off, so I'm afraid I'm gonna like peel the bleached oak. And I want to like flip this to bleached oak, but I really can't because this has tape on the blade, and the bleached oak side is like in very bad condition. No joke. All right, finally I got this. All right, good. Come on, go. Yes, all right. I got it. All right. Let's get it. All right, where's the blade? Where is it with no screw? All right, there it is. All right, let me just pull the blade out a little bit. There. And now we have the globes. So we're gonna screw our thumb screws all the way out. You can use a screwdriver if they have the slotted screws on them. Alright, we have to go over here. This is my first Hampton Bay Chatham that I got. I never got one by SMC before, but soon I'm gonna get one just made by Hampton Bay. Cause I want an actual I want a Hampton Bay Chatham manufactured by Hampton Bay. And same as my Landmark, the Hampton Bay Landmark. My Hampton Bay Landmark Plus is also made by SMC because it has this Hampton Bay Fan Lighting Co. SMC symbol. So you're gonna loosen all 3 thumb screws, so there's none like bits of it showing, just like flush to the light kit. Like where it holds the globes, light kit sockets. And then you're gonna tighten them until snug. Don't tighten them too tight. When it's like snug, you're done tightening them. Now we're gonna get our last globe on. Alright, same thing, and do this, and I will wire this up later, and we'll give it a go. I am going to get some bulbs right now, so yeah, I'll just end it here now. So yeah, thank you for watching my installation for the Hampton Bay Chatham. See you guys later. Bye.